Today, I'm showing you how to change country or region on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Use Search function. Look for the search icon or search bar at the top of the settings menu. The location varies depending on your device manufacturer, Samsung, Google Pixel, OnePlus, or others. Step 3. Search for region. Tap the search bar and type keywords like region, country, or language in region. This helps you quickly find the right setting instead of scrolling through all options. Step 4. View search results. Search results appear showing settings related to region and country. Look for options like language and region, or country and language. Step 5. Tap on region from the search results. This opens the settings page where you can configure your device's regional preferences. Step 6. Access region settings. On the language and region page, you'll see separate options for language and region. Tap on region or country to view available options. Step 7. Browse available countries. A list of countries and regions appears, typically organized alphabetically. Scroll through the complete list to find your desired country or region. Step 8. Tap on your preferred country from the list. You can choose any available country, such as United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, or any other option. Step 9. Confirm selection. After selecting a country, the setting updates automatically. Some devices may ask you to confirm the change. Tap OK or Confirm if prompted. Step 10. Review changes. Your Android device now uses the selected country's regional settings. This affects date formats, currency symbols, measurement units, and regional content. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country or region on your Android device. Your phone now uses settings and formats for your selected country.